Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Fima Cooks and Eats. As you can see, we have a delicious rasmalai here today for you. This is an instant recipe. This is my mom's recipe and you all are going to love it. Let's start. I have 5 cups of whole milk in a pot and I just added a cup of heavy cream, 2/3 of a cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and a few cardamoms that have been broken open. Add those to the milk. I'm going to let this come to a boil. While the milk cooks and comes to a boil, I have 1 cup of dry milk here in a bowl. I'm adding a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, and 1 tablespoon of semolina. Mix all of this together really well. Now break 1 egg in your bowl and beat it. Add 1 teaspoon of oil. After mixing the egg with the oil, add the egg into the dry milk. Add it slowly and keep mixing. It's going to be very sticky in the beginning. Keep mixing until a dough is formed. Keep mixing well, keep kneading it. In the beginning it'll be a little bit sticky, but don't worry, after a couple seconds you will have a beautiful dough formed. My dough is now ready. So as you can see, the milk has come to a full rolling boil. At this point, turn the gas to low and let it simmer. While the milk is simmering, let's make small balls out of the dough. These balls are about a size of a tablespoon. Keep rolling them until they look really smooth, and then gently press on the top, the way you see me doing here. From this dough, I made 10 rasmalai balls. I am now adding all of those balls into the milk. Gently mix it only once. At this point, I'm going to keep the heat at low and cover the lid. I'm going to let this cook for 10 minutes. After 5 minutes of cooking, flip them over and let them finish off cooking for 5 minutes. Be very careful when you flip them. These are very delicate. So now my rasmalai is done. I have turned the gas off and I have added a pinch of saffron to the rasmalai. It's going to give a beautiful smell and aroma to my rasmalai. And friends, I have completely cooled my rasmalai. It took about 2 hours to cool, and then I refrigerated it for another hour. And now I'm going to put it in my serving bowl. Do you see how beautifully plump they look right now? They're so perfect. This is one of my favorite desserts. I'm going to top these with chopped or crushed pistachios. This rasmalai is ready and it looks amazing. The sweetness and creaminess of the milk with the fragrance of saffron and cardamom, elaichi, it's unbeatable. I have also added a few rose petals on the top to make it look even prettier. So I hope you like this recipe, everyone. This is my mom's recipe. She used to make this for us on Eid when we were kids. It always turns out absolutely perfect and it is so instant. Do try it out and let me know how it turns out for you. If you like this recipe, hit the like button, don't forget to leave me a comment. Bye bye.